Keep we island clean, so clean. From the streets to the beach, so clean. No, not dirty up Jamaica. Please don't do it, no.
Everybody have to stop litter. Solid waste management problem getting bigger. Plastic no decay like banana skin. So we have to let go the single use thing. Tabada fling no box pan the ground. It no look good when we roll round town. Dirty water make health complication. Property loss when it damage the foundation. We have to protect the trees and the ocean. Save the animals from harm and starvation. Make a bigger effort to keep the place clean. Everybody responsibility. Pollution and poison the earth and the sea. Microplastic getting our bloodstream. It have to get better, so come join the team. One clean Jamaica, we are gonna live the dream.
Not dirty up Jamaica.
Don't do it.
Not dirty up Jamaica.
I beg you please.
Not dirty up